Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk about something that quietly changed in local service businesses and why reviews now play a much bigger role in what actually gets completed. This isn't about marketing tricks. It's about understanding how trust works now. Google decides who shows up. Reviews decide who feels safe calling. And today, good work alone isn't enough anymore. This isn't a marketing hack. It's not a lead generation trick. And it doesn't depend on ads or texts remembering to do the right thing. This is about building trust that compounds. The number one way good companies lose jobs today isn't bad service. It's what happens after the appointment is booked. This happens after the appointment is booked. The job is already booked, no complaint is made, and the customer simply disappears. This isn't a review problem. It's a timing problem. Asking too late, asking inconsistently, or forgetting to ask altogether. This is why just ask for reviews fails. Technicians forget, office staff get busy, and awkward asks get skipped. Every extra step kills reviews. Too many clicks, too much thinking, too much effort. One review per week doesn't feel impressive. But over a year, that's 52 reviews, and it completely changes how your business is perceived. Consistency compounds. Reviews must be simple, consistent, and timely. The solution isn't trying harder. It's using a simple system that works the same way every time. Step 1 is capturing the right moment, when relief is highest and trust is strongest. Step 2 is removing human memory from the process entirely. And step 3 is letting automation repeat the process perfectly, every time. Once the job is finished, the system responds immediately. No delay, no reminders. Not every customer experience should become a public review. Good systems filter feedback so issues are handled privately before they hurt your trust. Good systems protect trust before it becomes public. This works best for established appliance repair, HVAC, plumbing, and in-home service businesses, where trust determines follow-through. This isn't for brand new companies still trying to figure out operations. It's not for shortcuts, and it's not for fake or manipulated reviews. Most review tools fail because they're complicated, too manual, or too easy to ignore. The goal isn't more reviews. It's less thinking about reviews. You have two choices. Build and maintain this yourself, or use a system that already works. Reputation Toolbox exists to remove friction, not added features. It runs without reminders. It's built for real service businesses, and it's designed for busy owners. At this point, you should have a very clear picture of what's actually happening. Reviews aren't a marketing tactic anymore. They're a trust system, and timing determines whether that trust compounds or leaks. Everything you saw today comes from a simple idea. Remove thinking from the process and let consistency take care of itself. I documented this entire approach in a short book called The 5-Star Home Service Growth System, not as theory, but as a practical framework. If you want to implement this yourself, the book gives you the structure. If you'd rather see it running without building anything from scratch, the next step is to try it in your own business. Below this video, you'll see 2 options. You can start a free trial and set this up once, or if you prefer help, you can book a short setup call and we'll walk you through it together. Either way is fine. There's no pressure here. The goal isn't to sell you something today. It's just to make sure reviews stop being something you think about and start being something that just happens. Whenever you're ready, everything you need is right below.